Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by identifying seed keywords that match your video's main topic. This is critical because relevance drives click-through. First, write down 5-10 core topics and pick the one strongest phrase. Once done, check search intent. Are viewers looking for a how-to, comparison, or entertainment? Then, gather competitor titles and extract 1-2 high-volume keywords they target. This combination gives you immediate, actionable terms to expand. Make sure to prioritize relevance over vague popularity. Now expand your list into long tail and variant phrases so you capture real searches. Use autocomplete, related suggestions, and common question formats. Next, group terms by intent, informational, transactional, or navigational, and sort by estimated monthly volume. Once grouped, score each keyword for relevance versus competition. Prioritize one primary keyword that fits your title and 3 supporting keywords for description and tags. This layered approach increases discoverability while keeping content focused. Finally, implement keywords across title, description, tags, and closed captions. Place the primary term early in the title and in the first 1-2 sentences of the description. Once live, monitor CTR and watch time and run a/B tests on thumbnail and title to improve performance. If discovery is weak after a week, refine metadata. Swap in lower competition long-tail phrases and update pinned comment with optimized keywords. One key troubleshooting tip: if impressions are high but CTR is low, rewrite your title and thumbnail to better match search intent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.